Hi, my name is Chris, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to find the duplicates on Trello.com. Now, first off, I just want to say thank you very much for your help in tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Now, first we're going to go to Trello.com. Once you guys sign up for Trello, I'm going to have you invited to a particular Trello board by my friend Eric, and I'm just going to give you a quick example of what I'm going to want you to do. So first, we're going to be having you, work on contact 2, but today I'm going to show you on contact 1. Same exact thing. All right, so we click the contact 1 board, and here we have, Long Island Craigslist, Google Maps, Google Plus, Yelp, etc. Now, what I like to do is when I'm trying to find duplicates, I like to work from left to right, and I'll tell you why. Now, first off, I like to start from the top. So first you click the top card. Now the reason why, before I get into this whole thing, I just want to let you know why we're trying to find the duplicates. These leads, we call these companies up, for, a particular service. And sometimes, this particular lead could be on Long Island Craigslist. We could find it somewhere, on this list itself, or it could be on the Google Plus list. And we don't want to go, because we don't want to go through the list and call these people 2 or 3 times, So we want you guys to help us find the duplicates. So first off, you start with the first card, you click it. You're going to copy this, the phone number, and then you're going to hit Control Copy or Command Copy if you're using a Mac, X this out, and then to bring up the find for Windows, I believe it's Control F, and if you're on a Mac, it's Command F. Paste that in there. Bam, we have 3 matches, so hit Next. Right in Long Island's Craigslist, we have a match right there. Let's see what the next one is. Up here, I don't know why that goes up there. That doesn't mean anything. We're just trying to find something on these lists over here. So right here, we have a hit. Then again, I also like to check out the last, backspace this just to check the last 4 digits, because sometimes it might bring up the number, because we want a particular format, but sometimes the assistants don't follow the format, so we want the phone numbers written out this, 631-229-5332. Sometimes, they accidentally put the parentheses, parentheses 214 and parentheses 808. So if you're writing it out exactly like this, it's not going to be able to find, this number. If this number somewhere has like parentheses, somewhere. That's why I'm saying, like, you want to double check by the last 4 digits, because you might get a hit. So, all right away, you find a duplicate. So what do we do next? I want you to open up, your Microsoft Word, or if you have Apple, open up your Pages program. Bam. Okay. So first we're going to start off writing Long Island Craigslist. Alright, because that's the first, this is the first list we're working under. So to keep things organized, I like to write the name of what section we're going to work in first. And for our first duplicate, I'm going to write 1. Now, you guys can just like copy this like this. Just so we know which, to make it easier, you copy, paste it in, and then write duplicate found in actually, let's write 1 duplicate found in Long Island Craigslist. Perfect. Now, when you want to go find the second one, bam. Let's go try to find another one. Let me show you again. Okay. Let's try this. Click it again. Highlight. Copy that. Bring up your find. Paste that in. Let's see, we have 2 matches. And then looks like there's nothing there, no duplicates it seems like, so we're just going to double check. We're going to just check by the last 4 digits of the phone number. Oh, see, we got a match right there. So let's just see. 631-707-8324, so we're going to hit next. Oh, look at there, see? This is why we check by the last 4 digits, because sometimes, you know, you won't be able to find it unless you search by the last 4 digits. So I like to search by the full number first and then check by the last 4 digits. So right here on the Yelp list, we have a duplicate. So first, I'm going to click this, copy it, go back to your Microsoft Word or Apple Pages, paste it, put a period, and say 1 duplicate found in the Yelp list. See, it says Yelp on top, so we're going to write Yelp list. Okay. I like to save from time to time, duplicate list, just because, that would suck if, you didn't save and you did all this work, it would really suck. So I like to do like the occasional save just to make sure everything is good. Okay, now the reason why I like to work from left to right is because let's say if you you get to the Yelp list and you're working from top to bottom, and then you get to this, you see Tech Boys again. We copy it, paste it, you check by the last 4 digits. Oh, look, you got a match. But since we're working from left to right, you got to remember, if you get a match, if you're working on the Yelp list after you work through the Long Island Craigslist, Google Maps, and Google Plus, and you finally get to the Yelp list, we like to work from top to bottom. So top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, and once you finish all these checking, once you get to the Yelp list, you're gonna have you might not remember Tech Boys from when you originally found it on the Long Island Craigslist, but you're gonna see that if you find a match only before, not after, you're gonna know that you already had that on the list. So you don't want to say, you found, you're not gonna, when you start up your Yelp list, you're not gonna write that you found it on the Long Island Craigslist, because we already wrote it down originally for the Long Island Craigslist. So that's pretty much it that we want you to do. Once we get you actually invited into the Trello board, there's a tutorial that Eric might have you do, so you better learn how to use Trello. Highly recommended. It's very easy. And thank you again for your help, guys. I really do appreciate it. Thanks.